Hi guys, in today's video we will try to understand what is Tabby Card and how does it work. So Tabby Card is a buy now pay later payment card that lets you split purchases into interest free installments, and here is how it actually works. Now to get the Tabby Card you just have to download the Tabby application, and once you have successfully downloaded it you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and from here you just have to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account you need to simply sign up for it. After signing up for it, you need to check if you are eligible for the Tabby Card or not. Once you are approved, you will receive a virtual card that can be added to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Some users may also get a physical card. So the Tabby Card works like a regular debit or credit card, but instead of paying the full amount upfront, your purchases split into 4 equal payments. The payment is made at checkout and the remaining 3 are automatically deducted every month. So you can use the Tabby Card at partner stores, both online and in physical locations. You just have to tap your phone or enter the card details to complete the transaction, and there are no interest charges if payments are made on time. However, late payments can lead to fees or account restrictions. So spending limits depend on Tabby credit eligibility. So Tabby Card makes shopping more flexible and budget friendly. Just use it responsibly to avoid any extra charges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.